Hi, I'm Travis from Bil-Jax, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble a rolling tower. Always review and reference the product instruction manual before assembly. Bil-Jax strongly recommends that all users of this equipment be supplied with safety information and OSHA rules and regulations. This information must be thoroughly read and understood before using the equipment. If you have not been provided with OSHA regulations or safety literature, please call 800-537-0540 before use or visit the resources section on Bil-Jax.com. A rolling tower should only be used on solid, level, and clear floor areas. Do not use on soil or unlevel surfaces. Check for overhead obstructions which may interfere with the tower. Step 1. Preparation. Assess the area as solid, level, and clear of any debris. Before starting your scaffold assembly, check all parts for damage, making sure they are in proper working condition with no damage. Step 2. Casters, jacks, base plates. First, insert caster into the bottom of each scaffold frame and secure in place with snap pin. Leveling jacks or base plates can also be used in place of casters. Reference the instruction manual for complete details. Step 3. Bracing. First, bring one frame up and set brakes on casters. Second, attach cross brace to first frame, securing in place with frame brace locks. Next, bring second frame up and set brakes on casters. Make sure ladder portion of the frames are on the same side. Then, attach cross brace to second frame. Lastly, attach second cross brace to the frames. Step 4. Catacorner brace. First, install catacorner square bracing at the base below the bottom bar. Secure in place by engaging the sliding lock with a hammer. A catacorner brace should be installed every 20 feet in height. Reference the instruction manual for complete details. Step 5. Outriggers. Outriggers are required when the base to height ratio exceeds your local safety requirements. First, determine desired tower height to complete the job. Second, insert casters in the bottom of the outriggers. Secure in place with a snap pin. Next, attach outriggers in line with the frame on each side. Secure in place by tightening clamps to the frame leg. Then, set caster brakes. Step 6. Adding frame sections. Note, full decking should be installed before assembling the next tier and then moved up as each tier is complete. First, place walkboards on the top bar. Secure in place by engaging the wind locks. Next, raise frames to the next level and place so ladder steps continue above one another. Secure frames together with pigtail pins. Then, raise cross braces to the next level. Secure in place with frame brace locks. Next, disengage walkboard wind locks. Move 2 walkboards up to the top bar of the newest frame section. The one remaining walkboard will be used for personnel to assist with moving scaffold from the ground to the needed level. Repeat the above steps to reach your desired height. Step 7. Guard railing. First, move end guard panels to the top level. Place end guard panels on the frames. Secure in place with pigtail pins. Next, move side guard panels to the top level. Install side guard panels by connecting them to the end guard panels. Secure in place with frame brace locks. Then, install toe boards below the side guard panels. Secure in place with hinge pins. The scaffold rolling tower is now complete. Please reference the instruction manual for complete details.